I'll be saying the story about the greedy milkman. So once upon a time, in a small village, once there was a milkman, and this milkman he was initially very hardworking, very genuine and sincere. He was so hardworking that everyone in the village used to trust him so much, and they always used to appreciate his hard work. And even but the problem with him was that he was always so worried about himself. He thinks that he's not rich enough, and he also thinks that he's supposed to be someone who is very great. He always thinks that he always is greater than everyone who is with him. And is no matter how hard his wife tries to convince him, he just doesn't listen. He always says that I am great and I am great, and he also dreams of a big house and also big cars. So his wife said that okay, all of these things will take time. All you need to do is to be patient and work, and continue working hard as you are working hard. And then he said that no, I don't have time, I can't wait, I want that house really soon. Then his wife said that okay, that's not going to happen. And he was very sad at first, but then he thought of some ideas by which he could increase his business. So he thought of some ways. He thought of buying new cows, but that would be very costly, because if you buy another cow, you spend money for that. And what happens if you don't find enough people to buy the extra milk? You go to loss. So he got very confused by he did not know what to do. And then he thought for some time, and then he got an evil idea. He decided to mix a little bit of water, but then day by day he started to mix 50% of water in the milk which he was selling. Soon as he was expecting, he became very rich. He became so rich that he owns two houses. um, he owns two cars, and also a luxurious bedroom, living room, and so on. Everyone in the town, all of them were confused and shocked. How could a milkman become so rich in so less time? How is this possible? Then everyone did not know what was happening, but eventually they have noticed that something was wrong with the milk. It's not tasting as it was. So after months of after months since this is happening, the people have gathered near the milkman, and they have opened up. They have said that something's wrong with this milkman. The milk which you used to sell was way better than this, because the milk which you're selling now, it just tastes like water. Um, and, and it does not taste like milk. What's wrong? And he says that I did not do anything wrong. I think the problem with you. I think the problem is with you, and I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong. And I am making the milk in the same way. Then no, obviously no one believed him. So they decided to catch him live while he was mixing water. So the way in which the milkman normally mixes water is that he goes near the river, and from that he pours some of the water into the milk. Now the people have gathered behind a tree to watch whole the thing happening, and at last they have caught the milkman. And the milkman, with very rude behavior, said, "Yes, I am pouring milk. So what? If you don't want to buy milk near me, then you go away. I won't sell you milk. I have many other villages who will buy my who will buy my milk. So get lost." He was very rude, and then he went away. Then all the villagers, they decided to teach him a lesson. Um, Eventually, what happened is that even all the people in the remaining villages have realized his scams, and even they have left buying from him. So now he again became a poor milkman. And now the villagers of the same village, they have decided to teach him a lesson. All of them sold him fake items instead of the ones that he really wanted. And from then on, he realized the mistakes which he has done. And from that day, no, he did not mix 1% of water in the milk he sold. He was hardworking, and this time he was patiently waiting for his success. Thank you.